Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken macaroni salad. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 cup of elbow macaroni, and your favorite vegetables like carrots and celery. The star of our dressing is 1 250 milliliter carton of Nestle cream. Having everything prepped and ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Begin by cooking your elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Next, shred your cooked chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. For the vegetables, finely dice about 1/4 cup each of carrots and celery, ensuring small, uniform pieces for a pleasant texture. Now for the delicious dressing. In a large bowl, combine the 250 milliliter carton of Nestle cream with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to enhance the flavors. Mix until smooth and well combined. Then, gently fold in your cooked macaroni, shredded chicken, and diced vegetables, ensuring everything is evenly coated. Once everything is mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your chicken macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more delicious. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color. It's perfect for parties or a simple family meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.